Hello students. Today we will discuss about prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. And we will also discuss about difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Two types of cells are found in the organism, eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell, depending on whether cells contain membrane bound organelles or not. Their genetic material are enclosed by a nuclear envelope or not. Now we discuss about prokaryotic cell. According to morphological point of view, prokaryotic cells are the most primitive cells. They do not have a definite nucleus, which include bacteria and cyanobacteria. The chromatin body remains scattered inside the cytoplasm. In prokaryotic, asexual division occurs basically binary fission, and prokaryotics are smaller than eukaryotes. Now let's discuss about eukaryotes. It is believed that eukaryotes have been evolved from the prokaryotes. They have been characterized by their membrane nucleus. They contain organelle like mitochondria and Golgi body. This you can see here. This is endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, and Golgi body. Okay, and these are located in the cytoplasm. That is, they contain a definite nucleus. The chromatin bodies are enclosed. This is chromatin body. This chromatin bodies are enclosed by a nuclear membrane. Okay, and both asexual and sexual division occurs in eukaryotic. They are larger than prokaryotes and show better structural organization and increased functional efficiency than prokaryotes. Now we discuss about difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Plants, animals, and fungi have eukaryotic cells, and only bacteria and cyanobacteria have prokaryotic cell. Cell wall is absent in animals and present in plants. Okay, and cell wall present in prokaryotic cell. Clear? Centriole. In eukaryotic cell, centrioles are present, and in prokaryotic cells, centriole is absent. Okay. In eukaryotic cell, cilia and flagella are present, and cilia and flagella are also present in prokaryotic cell, but in complex form. Golgi complex, lysosome, peroxisome, nucleus, all these cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell but are absent in prokaryotic cell. Plasma membrane is present in both eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Chromosomes. Several chromosomes are present in eukaryotic cell, and in prokaryotic cell, one long DNA strand is present. Ribosome is that cell organelle which is present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Okay. Endoplasmic reticulum is present in eukaryotic cell but absent in prokaryotic cell. Thank you.